So here I am, outside my favourite place in the world, Plymouth Magistrates Court. But today I was here for Finla Coffee Limited, of which I am now a director. Very proudly so. And we're here today because Plymouth City Council have decided to fine Finla Coffee Limited, a small coffee shop in Plympton in Plymouth, something along the lines of £3,500 for allowing people, their customers, to sit down in their coffee shop while they waited for their takeouts. So it's disproportional, it's unlawful, it's unconstitutional. We've asked for the court today to strike it out, which they haven't. We entered no plea, so the court has entered a not guilty plea on behalf of Finla Coffee Limited, and we are now going to go to a case management hearing on the 10th of May. And the council have given themselves a month, because they're the prosecutor in this case, they've given themselves a month to consider the no case to answer position statement. And so it's there, we shall leave it, because basically the court has to now list it for a trial if it goes to trial. And as today they asked me who I want to call as witnesses on behalf of Finla Coffee. So I started with Lord Sumption, and then I went on to Matt Hancock, and then I went on to Ian Ferguson, and then I went on to Dr. Vernon Coleman, and also some Plymouth Live journalists and a few other people, including a local councillor who has expressed an interest with the planning department of Plymouth City Council, who she represents, to see if they can have a change of use to the unit of Finla Coffee. If Finla Coffee get fined, which they said today was something along the lines of 10 grand plus legal costs, so you're looking at 20, 25, 30 grand, it's never going to be paid. Finla Coffee will go bust. And that's why the local councillor has made inquiries as to whether the change of use for that unit can be applied in the future, which just shows you how malicious and deliberate this prosecution is. It should be stopped here. But everybody seems to want to waste money and time when the courts have got a massive backlog, and here we are fighting it out over a 2-day trial, what's going to be, all because people sat down waiting for a coffee.